Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is seasoned rice with shrimp. This is pretty simple to make but pretty delicious. My boys truly like this dish and this is how I trick them to eat veggies sometimes. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Rinse 2 cups of rice. Add in half cup of sliced carrots and third cup of sliced snap peas. Then add in 1 cup of sliced cooked shrimps. Mix it. Now we're gonna add enough water to cover these ingredients. Add in 3 tablespoons of peanut oil, and chicken bouillon to taste, and mix. Adjust the flavoring to your liking, and we're gonna add a drop or 2 of sesame oil. Mix and ready to be cooked using our rice cooker. If you have garlic flakes, you can add it as well, but it's not necessary. And a little of ground white pepper. Use the regular sushi option and just click cooking. Once cooked, mix it to fluff it up, and it's ready to be served. And if you like, you can serve it with fried onion or as is. Accompanied with fried egg would be nice as well, or cucumber salad or shrimp chips.